green next time around. Again, this is a 4-lap trophy dash. As that Chrysler 300C will speed up and make its exit there in turn number 3. And Jim Cottrell will bring the field to the start line. We are underway. Jim Cottrell and Nat Barber. Barber having a tough time right now in that second groove. Cottrell has the advantage coming out of 2 and down the backstretch. Jason Gott's trying to move right up alongside Nat Barber as they come out of turn number 4 and across the line. Jim Cottrell leading the way, but Jason Gott's all over his rear bumper, and now Nat Barber's trying to make his way on the outside as they're 3 wide heading into turn number 3. Gott's down on the rumble strip, Cottrell in the middle, Barber up high as they come off of 4, Barber right up to the wall as he started to lose traction and he had to back out of it, but your new leader is Jason Gott. Off as Gott now is opening up the gap between himself and Angelitas, who's just gotten by Jim Cottrell. Gott's wheeling it out of turn number 4. Across the line, your Trophy Dash winner in the Outlaw Compact Auto Racing Series, Jason Gott. Barber's going to go by Cottrell on the backstretch. The fireball, Nat Barber. And he brings the pack off at turn number 4. Your leader after 1, Nat Barber. Then we have Aaron Flett running second, and then Jason. Oh, and Flett goes around. Flett went around right in front of Gott, and I think Gott saw it coming because he was on the binders. Gott's got on the binders. Back underway. Single file restarts in the heat races. And Nat Barber takes advantage of that. Now opens up margin between himself and Angelitas. Angelitas closing that gap. Good run through turns 3 and 4 for Eric Angelitas. Now he is close within a few car lengths of Nat Barber. Nat Barber off at turn number 4. He's got Eric Angelitas within a car length of him now. And they have separated from the rest of this field. Jim Cottrell is running third. And right there with him is Aaron Flett. And now Angelitas looking to the outside of Barber as they come off at turn number 4. Lap number 5 in the books. Again, this is an 8-lap heat race as Eric Angelitas trying to get around Nat Barber using that outside groove. It did not work out for him that last time around. We'll see if he tries it one more time or if he's going to try to set up Barber to the inside. As they come off of turn number 4, Angelitas once again closing in on the rear bumper. We are the final lap. This is it. If Eric Angelitas has a move in him, now is the time to make it. But Angelitas slows on the backstretch. And now he looks like he's got momentum back up, but he lost a lot of ground on the backstretch. And you're a winner. The fireball, Nat Barber, followed by Eric Angelitas. And then it was Aaron Flett and Jim Cottrell and Ken Lagarde.